What Celine Dion was famous for, along with NSYNC, was songs. And so when there's songs that are known nationwide, it's you can know what it is. If they're mimicking it, it's a sloppy copy. My hair is imitating what Superman, his hair had, and I don't really have the stature other than somewhat of a hairdo of his, so it succumbed to a sloppy copy. Back to what's inside of you is that demographic I was talking about with the bones and poison. That's when it's really in you. Equivalently to something outside, there's a thing called the Dyson sphere, and if you put it around a planet, I mean a star, and if it's big enough, it'll look almost as if it is no different than walking on some flat plain like in Iowa or Nebraska, because the Earth's only so big. If you put but we live inside of the Earth, or on top of it rather, because it's the surface of the Earth. But in a Dyson sphere, you're going to be like walking, if it was around a sun, and you're inside of the Dyson sphere. Just imagine a soccer ball and put a soccer ball fencing around a star, and now you've got yourself what this would be energy, but to the magnitude of the stars are huge. So it would be so big of the inside, you'd be inside of this casing that on one of these like inner shell interiors, it would be almost no different than walking on Earth, because its horizon is only a set value, because the Earth is only a size of a set value. So it's hard to see things that you can't. So like that's also the meaning of when things are so big that it's hard to see a difference of it being a different thing other than what you think it is. Equivalently can be, and this is probably the impetus of Nicodemus and then Barnabas, one and the same in mystery, is one was referring to like the weather, the other referring to uh, an interior of anatomy, and so one and the same.